I'm going to be top coating over the 20-minute mud with all-purpose joint compound. Right here I'm checking to see where I need to add mud, seeing if any daylight comes through or if there's a hump. I'm going to keep the joint compound nice and tight on the edges. And if you look, I get the mud and concentrate it on a certain part of the knife. You don't want to put the mud across your whole knife or you're going to have a big messy repair. I will be sanding this one more time. Just trying to get it nice and flat so when I do the texturing, it's not going to be a bump or a hump on the ceiling after it's painted. So I'm just trying to get a long pull so there's no ridges or edges. I just want a nice long pull and nice and flat. Those edges are important to keep tight. It's just going to take a little sanding after this all-purpose dries. So there's the first ceiling repair, skimmed out. Going to hit this second one, check it again for humps, bumps, or indentions. When I finish this, I'm going to head down to where the torn paper was on the wall from not scoring the top of the baseboards at the caulk line. Again, you just want to do nice long pulls. That minimizes the sanding and ensures a nice flat repair. Also, try and keep those edges nice and tight as possible. The least sanding, the better. Let me know in the comments what kind of drywall project you're working on. Alright, I'm going to head to the master bedroom and fix the torn drywall. I'm going to skim that. This will be the second coat. I'll leave links to all the previous videos in this series in the YouTube card above now. I'm just going to get the mud on the wall. Again, I'm keeping it tight. And then I'm going to skim across it. Going to require minimal sanding. These walls are smooth, so I'm not going to have to do any texture matching. And the baseboard's going to come up almost to the top of the mud line. Not quite. So I'll fine sand it, but other than that, it should be good to go. That was a big nasty tear. Whenever you're doing mud work, be sure to prime those areas. I like to use a Zinsser 123 latex primer for pretty much priming anything other than water stains. And always use guards to seal brown paper. Regular primer is not going to seal the brown paper. A little doorknob hole here. Leave me a hashtag drywall tube if you're enjoying my videos. I don't know if you remember this one. This was a big, like a pry bar or something. Busted a hole when they were pulling the baseboards off. Got to take your time when you're pulling the baseboards off. Even if you're replacing them with new ones, you can really do some damage to your wall. And if you want to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. If you've got a friend that's a contractor or DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks so much for watching. There's more of my most popular video links down below in the description.